Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be testing a bunch of new makeup products. I have a ton over here. Every brand is like coming out with something new. So some of them are brand new products and some of them are just new for me. I like to always say that just in case you guys are like, girl, that's not new. But I've been putting a bunch of these products to the side so I can go ahead and do a video like this. So if you guys are interested, let's go ahead and hop right on it. Go ahead and start off on the skin. I'm Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For No Filter Mattifying Primer. Was just sent over, so I figured I would try it out. And I do want to kind of mattify some of the pores, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this. So it's gonna go ahead and instantly blur up those pores, which is fine by me. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and apply it mainly to the T-zone. Oh, it feels really good. It has that silicone-y feel, just like most of those primers, but it feels really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that here. I'm also sitting a little bit lower today, so let me know if you guys can see a difference. I do need to finish up this room. I've been saying that for a year. I know, but we ran into some other things along the way. My background looks so plain Jane. It is the primer. It is all on and good to go. I'm gonna go in with a new foundation today. I do have 3 new ones, so I haven't decided which one I'm gonna try out. This one is pretty new on the market. It's the ILmakiage Woke Up Like This foundation. This is what the packaging looks like. It is so sleek. It has a glass bottle, and I believe this is like the higher 40s price range. So it's pretty similar to a lot of the higher end foundations. So I'm really interested to see how this works. It says it's medium to high coverage, long wear, and it is comfortable, weightless feeling. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply a tiny bit onto the back of my hand. That's the color. It looks like it will probably match, so let me see. I'm actually gonna use their brush as well. This is their 100 foundation brush. So it looks like that. Pretty nice, and you guys know I don't always use brushes. If I do, I use like an oval one, but I wanna try this one out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it all over. If it is too dark or too orangey-like, then I will add and mix like another one, but oh, this is going on really well. This brush actually feels super lightweight, like it feels like almost like it's an airbrush finish once you apply it. And I'm used to using like beauty blenders, so. I mean, it is pretty dark for me. I'm gonna blend it down to the neck, obviously. It might end up matching with my tan. I believe the shade of this one as well, 125, so it's like a higher medium color. I forgot the actual name, but it's a medium. Definitely looks a little bit too dark, and it looks like it's oxidizing just a little bit. The actual coverage of it is pretty nice, but I'm gonna go in and mix. I know this like defeats the purpose, but I don't have another shade of that one, so like I gotta do something to fix it. I'm gonna go in with the Milk Makeup Blur Liquid Foundation, and this one's in the color Honey. I have a lot of freckles on my nose right now from the beach. So if foundation doesn't cover it, sometimes it doesn't, just because those are kind of hard to cover, as weird as that sounds. But my freckles are always just very prominent. So I have to go in with the Beauty Blender and kind of finish the rest. I'm not trying to combine formulas or anything, I'm just trying to get my shade, so hopefully that's not a problem. But aside from the color of the ILmakiage, I think I really like it. It does blend out really nicely, and it gives a really nice, like, sheer medium coverage, if that makes sense. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of concealer. And I am gonna go in with 2 of the Milk Makeup ones. Like I said, finding my shade is a little tricky, so I'm gonna mix the 2, but these are the Flex Concealer from Milk Makeup. So I'm taking the shade Light Medium and Medium, but I'll start out with Light Medium first. It does come on a wand, which I appreciate, and it has the doe foot applicator like so. I'm gonna apply a little bit underneath, and I mean, it looks a little bit light. This is good if you want a brightening color, but I don't really tend to, I don't tend to use brightening one. So I'm gonna take a dab of the medium one then. I'm just gonna take a beauty blender and blend it out. So it is pretty thick, which is nice. I just worry about creasing when concealers are thicker like that. So hopefully it's not gonna do that. But I'm gonna run a little bit on my eyelids as well and to the sides of my nose. So it looks a little bit too light for me, and I did mix the two, so maybe next time I'll just use the shade medium. But we're gonna try to work with it. As for the coverage goes, I think it had a really good coverage, except I do see a tiny bit of creasing under there, which hopefully the powder will help that. But as of right now, I don't know. I'm gonna go in with Laura Mercier translucent powder, so I'll cut through that since you've already seen it and it's not new, and we'll hop into bronzer. The Laura Mercier Soleil 1 matte bronzing powder, and I'm gonna go ahead and run it with this brush. Can't remember if I used this on my channel already, but it is new for me. It was just sent, so I might have used it once, but I can't remember. I love this. The way it smells is so, so good. And it does give a really pretty bronze color. It doesn't look orange or anything, so that's always a plus. I'm really just gonna bronze up like all over. Very pretty bronzer. All right, so now that I have all of the face on, minus highlighter, we're gonna go into the eyes for a little bit, and I'm going in with the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. I'm so excited to try this out. Who knows what type of look we're gonna get into today, but I am just so excited for this palette. Super stunning. I have no clue what type of look I'm gonna do, like I said, so we're just gonna wing it and roll with it, but I'm gonna go ahead and prime up my eyes with my favorite concealer, which is not new at all, but it's the Tarte Shape Tape. Just gonna do a little bit to prime. All right, so the first color I'm gonna go in with to start is this color right here. Super duper pigmented, as you can see. Just gonna tap off a little bit of the excess and just go ahead and start into the crease. Beautiful color, beautiful for the transition. It's a little bit more on the deeper side, which I wasn't really expecting. It looks a little bit lighter in the pan, to be honest. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this from inner to outer. Taking a little bit of Passion, I'm running that into the outer corner. It's really a deep color, super beautiful. And I just kind of want to add a little bit of like spice to the look. I don't even know, like I said, what kind of look I'm doing. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with the purple color, which is Celestial. And I'm gonna take it right on this Anastasia brush, and it does come out super, super pigmented. Like, I'll swatch it right here for you. That is beautiful. That's such a beautiful purple. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease just a little bit with the Tarte Shape Tape. Now, this isn't like an actual cut crease, like a full-on one, but I just wanna cut it just a little bit because I want the lid space to be the purple. Celestial. That's a beautiful purple. I kind of like it, like the purple like winged out just a little bit like that, so I might wind up leaving it like that. And I'm gonna go in with the color Rose Gold, which is right next to it. Beautiful, beautiful rose gold color. It's not gonna stay like this. It looks a little bit messy right now. I would not call this a cut crease. I just kind of did that technique just to kind of lay down the color. But I wanna go in a little bit later with another color to kind of separate the two. So I'm gonna spritz the rose gold one and pop that into the inner corner. I love the way these colors are blending. It does blend really well. And they're highly, highly pigmented. Take a little bit of the color Dreamer and put that onto my brow bone highlight, which is this first color right here. Add a little bit of shimmer to it. I'm also going to pop that into the inner corner a So I don't really know what I'm doing right now. I just took a fine brush and took the color Dreamer and put that right on top of that purple line to kind of separate the two. I don't really know. I just kind of want to play around with it. This is what the eye look is looking like right now. I have to just clean up the edges a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes. Now, I'm not using any new lashes today. They're just my Salon Perfect 614s. I'm gonna do that, and then I'll show you guys new mascara that I'm gonna be using, so I will cut to that now. We're going with the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. Now, this is new for myself. I have not tried it out yet. I've heard so many good things on it, but this is what it looks like. Very cute. It's in black. I'm gonna go apply it into the roots of the false and my lashes, as well as my bottoms. I like the brush on here a lot. It is rubberized. I do like those types. I feel like it separates them really well. It is pretty black too, which is great. Some highlighter now for the face, which was my favorite part. You guys already know this, and I've been waiting this whole video to do this highlighter because I'm so excited to try it out. It is the new Dose of Colors collaboration with Iluvsarahii, Karen. I absolutely love her. She's stunning. Love her highlight, literally goals. This one's in the shade Soulmate. Packaging, so cute. I was so excited to purchase this. So this is what it looks like. I did do a little swatch when I first got it to make sure everything was okay, but that's what it looks like. Oh, a little bit on the tip of my nose so I don't waste the product. I'm gonna spritz my face with the new Salon Perfect setting spray. I am so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit right here. What? So stunning, holy cannoli. Wow. Freaking insane. I'm scared that I just put a little bit too much on. So for lips quickly, I'm gonna go in with the new ILmakiage Infinity Matte Glory lip color. This is in the shade 423, and it just looks like so. Their packaging is so like A1. Glass, like okay, work. And that is the applicator. This might be not a good color for this. I use my NYX suede lip liner. This one's in the color Sandstorm. So that could be just popped in the center. I'm gonna go in with one little quick spritz from the Salon Perfect Set to Perfection spray one more time because it will give it like more of a matte look. So that is it for this makeup look. That pretty much completes the look, as well as using all these new products. Again, some of them are new for myself, but also a lot of them are new on the market. And you guys, I'm obsessed with this Norvina palette right now, as well as this highlighter girl. So that is all for this look. I will leave all the products I used today down below in the description. Go ahead and check that out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.